Subscribe to Learning with Friends and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Friends. In our continuing series on commonly confused words, today we are going to discuss the difference between discrete with double E and discrete which ends with ETE. Words like discrete and discrete are called homophones. Homophones are words that sound similar, that is, words that have the same pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Some common examples are new and new, blue and blue, not and not, as well as one and one. Coming back to discrete and discrete, discrete, that is the one with double E, is an adjective and it means to be careful in one's behavior or speech. When something is done in a restrained or confidential manner, it is said to be done discreetly. When you ask someone to be discreet, you want them to keep a secret. For example, the investigator entered the compound discreetly. This means that the investigator was careful while entering the compound that nobody notice him. Another example, the suspicious husband discreetly inquired if his wife had visited the cafe. This means that the husband, who suspected his wife of unfaithfulness, inquired in a secretive way whether she had visited the cafe. That is, the husband's inquiry was such that it would not reveal his intentions. Discrete, also an adjective, means separate, disconnected, or distinct. For example, azure and turquoise are discrete shades of blue. This means that these two are distinct. Another example, it's a wonder that a kaleidoscope can produce discrete combinations from a small number of glass pieces. Here's a handy trick to remember the difference between the two words. Discrete, which means separate, has its two E's separated by a T. Therefore, whenever the intended meaning is separate or distinct, use discrete, the one that ends with ETE. Otherwise, use discrete with a double E. That's all for now, friends. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel Learning with Friends. Remember, it's absolutely free to subscribe. Also share the video and spread the knowledge. Let us know in the comment section what other videos we can make for you in future. See you next time.